Use completing the square to solve the equation the quantity x minus 3 times the quantity x plus 1 equals 5. To solve the equation by completing the square, the equation must be in the standard quadratic equation form a times x squared plus b times x plus c equals 0. This equation is not in standard form, so before we can even begin to solve using completing the square, the left side of the equation will need to be expanded using the distributive property, or FOIL. Remember, FOIL is an acronym standing for first, outside, inside, and last, referring to the order of multiplying terms. First, multiply x times x and get x squared. Outside, multiply x times 1 and get 1 times x. Inside, multiply negative 3 times x and get negative 3 times x. Last, multiply negative 3 times 1 and get negative 3. The equation is x squared plus 1 times x plus negative 3 times x plus negative 3. Combine the terms of 1x and negative 3x. Your final equation is x squared minus 2 times x minus 3. Let's see if our new equation is in the standard form yet. Our original equation was the quantity x minus 3 times the quantity x plus 1 equals 5. The new equation is x squared minus 2 times x minus 3 equals 5. Is this in the standard quadratic format yet? No, not yet. Remember, the equation must be in the standard quadratic equation form a times x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. To make our new equation equal to 0, subtract 5 from each side. The result is x squared minus 2 times x minus 8 equals 0. Now we have an equation in the standard format. To complete the square, we'll need to know the a, b, and c of the equation x squared minus 2 times x minus 8 equals 0. A is the coefficient of the squared term and equals 1. It's implied even though it's usually not written. B is the coefficient of the linear term and equals negative 2. C is the constant term and equals negative 8. Now we're ready to solve the equation by completing the square. Step 1. Move the constant c to the other side of the equation. Since c is a negative 8, we use the opposite operation by adding 8 to each side. The result is x squared minus 2 times x equals 8. Step 2. We'll use the quantity b divided by 2 squared to find the new constant c that will complete the square. b equals negative 2. Substitute negative 2 in for b, and you get the quantity negative 2 divided by 2 squared. This simplifies to negative 1 squared, which equals 1. The new constant used to complete the square is 1. Step 3. Add the new constant of 1 to both sides of the equation. The new equation is x squared minus 2 times x plus 1 equals 9. Step 4. Factor the perfect square trinomial to the quantity x minus 1 times the quantity x minus 1 equals 9. Rewrite the equation as x minus 1 squared equals 9. Step 5. Use the square root property to take the square root of both sides of the equation. And don't forget that a square root can be plus or minus. The square root of the quantity x minus 1 squared equals plus or minus the square root of 9. X minus 1 equals plus or minus 3. Step 6. Rewrite the equation as two equations. X minus 1 equals 3 and x minus 1 equals negative 3. Step 7. Solve each equation. In the equation x minus 1 equals 3, add 1 to both sides and the solution is x equals 4. In the equation x minus 1 equals negative 3, add 1 to both sides and the solution is x equals negative 2. Now let's check your solutions. Substitute 4 in for x and get 4 minus 3 times 4 plus 1 equals 5. 1 times 5 equals 5, and 5 equals 5, so this solution works. Substitute -2 in for x and get -2 minus 3 times -2 plus 1 equals 5. -5 times -1 equals 5, and 5 equals 5, so this solution works. The two solutions are x equals 4 and x equals -2.